Hey there, quiz champions! Welcome back to the Daily Quiz. Prepare to put your eyes to the test with this Christmas edition of the Find the Odd One Out game. It's going to be so much fun. If you're ready, hit that subscribe button and let's kick off the holiday cheers. Can you spot the different Santa Claus emoji? Great start, the odd one's located in the second row. Next, a bit trickier. Impressive, you have a keen eye. Can you guess the Christmas character from just 2 emojis? A red nose leading the way. Here comes Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Challenge for those sharp eyes. Spot 3 differences between these 2 reindeer pictures. Did you catch it in time? Spot the unique emoji. Squint your eyes a little bit to see the character. Bravo, it's Snowman. One of these emojis is not like the others. Can you solve this? Here it is. Keep up with your score. Can you guess this Christmas food? Gingerbread. Let's see if you can crack this one. Awesome, there it is. Can you find the odd Santa in this array of various Christmas items? Next, let's test your memory. Remember the position of all emojis. Where's the Santa Claus emoji located? Correct, the Santa Claus emoji is located at the number 4 position. Here's the hint with 2 emojis. Can you get who it is? The Grinch. Don't give up now. Right in front of you. Let's test your observation skill. It's a Christmas tree right there. Where's the odd Christmas tree emoji? Well done, let's keep going. Wow, it's sneaking around in there. Trivia time! Spot 3 differences. Stay sharp, look out for the odd reindeer emoji. Right there! Time to step up your game. Great job! New challenge. Try to find the emoji that doesn't repeat. Aha! Found it! It's Elf! Can you guess the drink based on 2 icons? Wow, you're really sharp! Find the odd one out. Surprise! The odd one's located in the 3rd row. Locate the different jingle bell in the midst of Christmas items. Pretty easy. Time's ticking. Gold star for you. Here he is. Time for the memory test. Remember the position of all emojis. Where's the reindeer emoji located? Keep going. Guess this character by emoji. It's Elf. Identify the unique elf here. Way to go! Here's our unique elf. Who loves snowballs? The odd one's located here. Think fast. Can you see a Christmas gift here? Where's the one-of-a-kind gifts in these lovely presents? It's here! You're unstoppable! Not easy. Next round. Nice catch! Get ready to focus. Find the unique Christmas sock icon. Which character do these emojis make you think of? It's Olaf from the Frozen movie. Can you find the odd emoji out? This one's different from the others. It's time for a real challenge. Find the emoji that doesn't repeat itself. Your eyes are so good. Can you show us the odd icon? Nailed it again. It's right here. Here it is in the second row. Next challenge. Excellent, it's here. Find the odd one out. You're doing great. Can you spot the odd one in this round? Remember the position of all emojis. Where's the Santa emoji located? Correct, the Santa Claus emoji is located at the number 1 position. Tiny hint, this character's from a well-known Christmas movie. It's the iconic Jack Skellington. Find the odd one out. Next round. Piece of cake, it's nutcracker. Spot 3 differences. The next question, can you find it out? Here it is. Identify the different one. Did you find it? Last one. Can you spot the odd one? Congratulations! Thank you for participating in today's challenge. Don't forget to check your results. Comment below to let us know your score. Remember to press the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the next quiz videos. Goodbye!